Here are 40 common sentences you might use when talking about your hometown. 1. I was born and raised in Delhi. 2. My hometown is known for its beautiful parks. 3. It's a small town, but it has a lot of character. 4. We have a yearly festival that everyone looks forward to. 5. The food scene in my hometown is amazing. 6. I grew up in a quiet neighborhood. 7. My hometown is famous for its historic buildings. 8. The community there is very close-knit. 9. I love the memories I have from my childhood there. 10. There's a river that runs through the town, and it's gorgeous. 11. The weather in my hometown can be unpredictable. 12. It's not too far from the big city, which is nice. 13. I miss the local bakery, they had the best pastries. 14. The people in my hometown are very friendly. 15. I went to name of school in my hometown. 16. There's a lot of greenery and open spaces there. 17. My hometown is growing and changing a lot these days. 18. We have a local farmers market that's popular on weekends. 19. The best thing about my hometown is how peaceful it is. 20. It's surrounded by beautiful hills and nature trails. 21. There are a lot of historic sites to explore. 22. I love going back to visit my hometown whenever I can. 23. There's a special spot where we used to watch the sunset. 24. It has a small town charm that I appreciate. 25. Winters in my hometown can be quite harsh. 26. The main street is lined with cute little shops and cafes. 27. We have a great community center that hosts events. 28. I remember playing at the local park as a kid. 29. Our hometown football team is very popular. 30. It's a great place to raise a family. 31. The local library was one of my favorite places growing up. 32. There's a museum that tells the story of the town's history. 33. The public transportation there is pretty reliable. 34. I know almost everyone in my neighborhood. 35. The autumn leaves are beautiful in my hometown. 36. There's a famous ice cream shop that everyone loves. 37. I have so many fond memories of festivals and parades. 38. Summers are the best time to visit my hometown. 39. It's a safe and welcoming place. 40. I feel a sense of nostalgia every time I visit. These sentences can help you share stories and insights about your hometown.